Alright, we're talking inequalities today. How are you, inequalities? Alright, less than and greater than. Those are the two symbols you see right here. This one right here, you pronounce this less than because if we had made up some numbers here, this would be 6. The bigger part of the mouth will point to the bigger number. That's the way we probably learned in elementary school. It's fine to think of it that way for now too, but you can just remember 6 is less than 8. You can also think of this as being like a crooked L. The letter L is for less than. So 6 is less than 8, and likewise you could say 8 is greater than 6. Sometimes you might see symbols like this. All this means is less than or equal to, and they slide one of these little horizontal lines below it. So again, we could say the same thing. 6 is less than or equal to 8. You could even say that 8 is greater than or equal to 8 because it is equal to it. So that would qualify as being a true statement. When you have something like this, would 7, 8, or 9 make this true? You can think of solving expressions. So we would substitute for the A. We're going to substitute the number 7, the number 8, and the number 9, if that makes sense. Those are the three options that they give us. So using those three numbers, we could test this out. So if we do 9 plus 7 is less than 17, would that statement be true? I think so, because 16 is less than 17. Now if we try it again, 9 plus 8 this time, is that less than 17? That's kind of where this can be confusing. 9 plus 8, if you add that up, equals 17. And is 17 less than 17? Well, it's equal to 17, right? But it's not less than 17. So this number right here would not work. And then if we do 9 plus 9, I think you might be anticipating the result here. 9 plus 9 is not less than 17. I love the music in the background. This is great. Giving our world this whole new life. This is 18. 18 is not less than 17. So we can't say that 9 would make this statement true. The only thing that would make it true is a number 7. I'm going to try one just like this, except now we're going to use this symbol, which means, of course, less than or equal to. So if we remember from the last problem, 9 plus 7, that's still going to work, right? Because that is going to be equal to 16, and 16 is less than 17. So that would work. And the one difference is with this equal sign, if we do 9 plus 8 now, so you can probably guess, 9 plus 8, less than or equal to 17. Well, 9 plus 8 is 17. So is that less than or equal to 17? Yes. That or part is what makes it true. So in this case, 8 would be something that makes it true. 7 would be something that makes it true. The only thing that wouldn't make this statement true is 9 plus 9. Because 9 plus 9 is not less than 17 or equal to 17. It's more than 17. So that is not true. Bad. Alright. One more problem I just want to look at. This is with writing and graphing inequalities. So Mr. Schreiner claims to be at least 19 years old. He's kind of dreaming, but anyway, it's true. It is true. I'll give him that. And John McCain, he ran for president a few years back. He also claims to be at least 19 years old. So, you know, that doesn't really say much for me. So what inequality would represent this age? Well, we go right to writing it first. I'm going to say A is our variable. A stands for age, of course. And we're going to say at least 19, so that would mean I'm greater than 19 or equal to 19. When we say at least, that implies that I could be 19. So to graph this, we'd start right here at 19. I'm going to put a circle here. And it's everything above 19 all the way this way. So it'll go on forever and ever. The tricky part is whether or not to color in this circle here. And we are going to color in this circle because anytime you have the equal to sign, like we do here, that means the circle's colored in. If it just said Mr. Schreiner's older than 19, instead of the words at least, we'd leave the circle blank. But in this case, we would, in fact, color the circle in. Hopefully that helps you with graphing inequalities.